What's up, guys? I am back again with another video. It is your girl Baddie, of course, and today we are putting some money down for ourselves because baby, we need to take care of ourselves. I think a lot of us be forgetting that we need to take care of ourselves, okay baby? Like,
just short of straw when we're ballin'. 20 of the spies are golden. When we let it slide, is you cool?
yeah, we got this, yeah, we got this, yeah, we got that, but what about us? Like, it is very important that we take care of ourselves, okay? So don't mind my two missing nails. Y'all see both of them on the same finger. Took a turn, took a twist, run it gone. So anyways, we are stuffing self-care today, and this money is coming from my little side hustle, and we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, $115 to put up for ourselves. Don't forget to take care of yourself, okay? Don't forget that. Speaking of self-care, the self-care binder will be restocking soon, so you guys just keep y'all eyes open, eyes on the prize. The self-care binder, for some of you guys who are new and don't know what it looks like, this is it, and I'll be restocking these soon. I will drop it the day before so you guys can, you know, prepare, but I will be restocking this soon, so look out for the restock. So we just gonna jump right into the video, guys, right into the video. Where do y'all get y'all nails done, by the way? I have to ask, because the Vietnamese people, I have a long story with them. I used to do my nails with them when I just got here to America, and I've experienced so much things. Like, one at the time they gave me a fungus in one of my nails, like, no lies. And I feel like every time they put nails on me and it's like it's growing out, they always start falling off. So I found a nails girl that I do my nails, but she's a little far from me. So, you know, those nail girls nowadays, you gotta try to book appointment with them previously because they be filling up so quick. So I didn't get a chance to book an appointment with her. I guess she was full, and I really needed my nails done because I had an event the same day. So I stopped by the Vietnamese salon again, which I told myself I never was gonna do ever. I'm sorry if there's a Vietnamese nail tech watching this, but I don't know, probably there's something you guys need to change into something. I don't know. I feel like you guys really, let me stop saying you guys, like somebody really watching this that is like a Vietnamese nail tech. But I feel like what they need to change is stop trying to do quantity, like focus on quality, okay? Because quality sells. So anyways, I went there, got my nails done by her. Look at me now, two missing. And this is the problem that I've been had with them. Like, they keep falling off. I don't know if the primer, the glue, whatever is just not strong enough. I don't know what's going on there, but something is going on, baby, because they not staying on my nails. And it's not me, because when my nails girl do me up, everything stay on. So it's not me, I'm not the problem here. But do y'all see this dashboard? Do y'all see this? Get into it, baby, get into it. Anyways, moving on, we are stuffing $20 in nails because as y'all see, a girl gotta go to the nail salon soon. So we put in $20 for nails. So right now we have $35 for nails. And when I go get my sets, I think this time I'm gonna get a little longer set. Because my daughter's hair is already done, so I could go a little longer now. I normally go longer, but since I had my baby, I had to kind of go shorter now because, you know, she got a whole lot of hair. I'll show you guys her in one of these videos. I'll do like a little family intro for you guys, like introduce my family to you. But my daughter is so cute, and she just now start talking. She's one. She just now start talking. She's saying little stuff. It's so cute to me. Like, I'm literally laying there looking at this girl like, who are you? Who who are you? You just came out my stomach, girl. What you saying? Who's teaching you these stuff? Who teaching you to say these stuff? Guys, she calling from 1 to 5. So adorable. She's trying to sing her ABC. She's saying thank you. Like, funny story. In Jamaica, when we have babies, we don't say thank you, like to tell them to say thank you. We tell them to say, like, because they're babies, we're saying, you know, we shorten the word and we say ta. I don't know, it's a Jamaican thing. But when you give a baby something, you normally say ta, you know, try to let them know to say, like, thank you. So my mom was like, do that every time you giving the baby something. I was like, I ain't say no ta because it's not an American thing. And I don't want when I'm somebody giving my baby something, like, you know, one of my American friends or her godfather or whatever, she gonna say ta and then they don't know what she's saying. So I was just like, I'm telling her thank you, the right word, right out, not even thanks. I was like, thank you. Every time I give her something, I say thank you. 2 days ago, I gave her something and she said, thank you. I was like, girl, what? What did you just say? Guys, guess what I did? I took it back from her and gave it back to her just to hear her. She gonna say it again. She said, thank you. I was like, oh my God, Jesus. What do I do? My baby's trying to talk. What do I do? What do I do? I'm so dumb. So anyways, then she started to say bye. Like, her dad was like, bye-bye. She could wave it, but she never said it. And she was like, bye-bye. I was like, what? I was like, girl, you all talking now. So I'm really excited because she is saying some words. She's showing me her head, her shoulder, her knees, her toes. She's showing me her eyes, her nose, her mouth, her ears. Mind you, I never taught her none of this yet because I didn't know she was gonna recite it, you know. But I let her watch Miss Rachel. I let her watch a lot of preschool learning on YouTube because she's not in daycare, y'all. I'm scared of bringing my child to daycare. All this thing going on in daycare now. Girl, no, they ain't finna play with my child, okay? So I'm very scared to bring her to daycare. So I wanted to wait until she could talk a little bit at least. I don't know, or I'm gonna homeschool. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but to really listen and hear how many things she have learned without me teaching her, which she have learned on the preschool learning channels, along with Cocomelon, because a lot of people sleep on Cocomelon and people used to say Cocomelon is not good and yada yada yada. But let me tell you something. My daughter learned a lot on Cocomelon. She could sing that ABC. She could show me differentiate between her eyes, her nose, her mouth, her ears. She could do all that off of Cocomelon. So I don't listen to people because it works for her. She learned a lot. So that was adorable to hear her say words. I was like so shocked. I didn't know what to do. I was just looking at her like, who are you? You like a little stranger in my house right now. Because girl, what? You could talk? OMG. So anyways, guys, moving on. You know I had to tell y'all that little accomplishment that my daughter had. Oh my God, I'm still tripping over it. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to behave. See, I'm here talking. I don't know what to do. Anyways, moving on from facial, we currently have $10. We're going to add $10 to facial. So we're gonna make that $20. By the way, did I mention I work at a med spa? I have a part-time little gig at a med spa. So I am about to hit up my boss and be like, can I get me a hydrofacial? You know, I work here. I'm gonna try it, you never know. So next we have hair. And for my hair, I have $15 right now. We're adding $20 to hair because my hair is gonna need to be done pretty soon. So we add 20 to hair. Why is this thing acting up? Okay, there we go. And then we have lashes. We currently have 15 in lashes. We are adding another 15 to lashes. So make that 10, 20, 25, 30. So $30 in lashes. And I have to say, I love these envelopes, y'all. They're just easy sliding and go. I like the way they feel so stern. I love it. For massage, we currently have 15. We're adding 10 for massage. Makes it 10, 20, 25. Remember yourself. Put money down for yourself, okay? And then for my birthday, which I'm planning to do a lot of things for my birthday, so I'm gonna need to start adding more money to this. 10, 50, we're adding 20 to birthday, so 20, 30, 35. My birthday that passed this year, I didn't really do anything. I literally just did a little photo shoot in my bed. That's the pictures y'all saw me post on my community timeline. That's all I did for my birthday. So this birthday coming up, I want to do some stuff, okay? So now for shopping, we have 20, 30, 15, and we are adding 20. What's wrong with me? We're adding 20, so now we have 20, 30, 35 in shopping. And this is for me to shop, okay? Go to the mall, buy me some stuff. This is what this is. After all, it's a self-care binder. So that's it for my self-care stuff in today, guys. I feel good. I put $115 down towards taking care of myself. You guys need to try this. Just wait for the binders to drop and get you a self-care binder. I have to say, a lot of people are asking me if I'm going to sell the dashboard. I'm thinking about it, because I might sell the dashboard, but it's not going to be the exact same dashboard as what my binders have. Because if you really think about it, who's gonna buy the binder if I have the exact same dashboard for sale? Why wouldn't they just go buy a binder and just buy the dashboard, or just, you know, like, it's not, I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Like, it's like, if I'm putting binders for sale and I put the dashboard of my binder for sale, I mean, the dashboard is what really make the whole thing. So it's like, I might put dashboards, but they might not be exactly the same as the dashboards that my binders that I have for sale are, because, I mean, that just don't make sense. I might do some dashboards, but they're not like the binders I'm selling. Dashboards are going to be completely different from the dashboards that I'm going to put for sale, if I'm going to put them for sale. I haven't really thought about it yet, but I'm taking it one step at a time. I don't want to rush myself. I don't want to do too much, because then I get claustrophobic and then I'm all over the place. I'll let you guys know, but if I am putting dashboards for sale, they're not going to be exactly the same ones that are in the binders. There might be, you know, different styles, different colors that you guys can choose from. So yeah, the binders are going to be like, you know, the special product. So I want them to be kind of special. So I'm not going to do the exact same dashboard. I wouldn't put that dashboard for sale. Thank you guys for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. And remember to put money down for yourself. You're putting money down for all these other things. What about you?
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.